Hi there. Today I'm going to show you guys the beginning of how to make a project using Final Cut Server. So today what I'm going to do is open up Final Cut Server, which I already opened earlier. So here we have the asset pane, and we want to get into the production pane because we're making a new production today. So right now we have the one that we used for our project, which was Bayback Cribs Intern Edition. But if you're making a new production, you go up here to this folder, the button with the folder on it, and you press it. So that creates your new production. What you want to do from there is go up to this bar that says Metadata Set, and you click on it and go down to Bayback Production in our case, because we're at Bayback. So you click on that, and from here we have different sets of data that you can put assigned to your project. So all of these different things right here assign different parts to your project, which is really helpful. So right here, we're going to do a title. So say we're doing the Bayback Cribs. So the overall working title, the overall title is going to be Bayback Cribs Intern Edition. Underneath it, the working title is going to be the title that you attach to clips and other assets that you're going to put into your production, so it's easier for people who are adding things to your project to have a similar naming scheme as everything else. So this is usually a shortened version of it, so say it's just BC for Bayback Cribs. In synopsis, you can add kind of a description if you want. There's also another section where you can put a description. Say, this describes your overall production as educational, entertainment, webisode. So production status, you can choose one of these. Work in progress is usually how it goes if you're doing many different episodes for your season. Producer, whoever's the producer of the show, say it's Ja. Required reviewers, say I need to be one of the person who reviews it because maybe I'm putting money to it. Okay, so down here, you see it already uploaded what I put in program A into this section. For promotion, this is more information that you can attach to it if you want. You pretty much kind of pick and choose what works for your production. So say you have a lot of episodes and it's a seasonal thing, this is better for you because it allows you to keep it up to date for each season so you don't get confused. So website, this is if you're going to upload it to a website. It makes it easier for you to put it on there immediately. Episode number, so say this episode is our pilot episode, so say it's episode 1 or 01. Total number of episodes, say there's 10. Episode start number would be 01, and episode end number would be 10. For music, this is if you are including music that say you're paying for, so you're paying someone for the rights for this music that you're using. So you can just write in the track, who composed it, who performed it, stuff like that. So this helps you keep track of all the music that you use. The rights, this is for copyrights. This is a lot of legal issues that are helpful to assess right now. So yeah, more information. So basically you don't have to put in all of this, and there's notes if you want to put in notes. So when you're done with all the things that you want to add, you go to Save Changes, which I'm not going to do because I don't want to create the same project again. So you just do Save Changes, and it should immediately put your project in here using the words, you can look it up with a word that you use in the title. So in this case, you use Cribs, search, and this one pops up. And when you want to look at the assets that are in your production, you just click on it, and this opens up your asset pane. And the asset pane will show you all of the parts of your project. So you can put in your Final Cut project, your motion projects, all the clips that you use, your B-roll, and Mendel will describe how you put assets in your asset